Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your runner or your character in Temple Run 2. To change your character or your runner in Temple Run 2, open up the Temple Run 2 application first. From the main screen, go ahead and tap on the runner button on the right hand side options. Now, you will then be able to see the list of runners available on the next page. Some runners will be unlocked while playing the game, whereas some runners must be purchased with gems or coins. Select the new runner you'd like to choose, and right after you do that, you can tap the play button with the new runner that you've just selected. That is how you can easily change the runner or switch runners in Temple Run 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.